Let's now explain how you can use a brute force attack. So, friends, a brute force attack involves correctly accessing the user ID and password to gain access to a system. A brute force attack is a simple attack method, and you can use it in any application, software, script, coding, programming, Linux, Docker, Windows, operating system, desktop, Android, computer, mobile. You can use it. With it, you can hack the password of any account. And you can also provide security.